Hey everyone, I have a slightly different factory update today. We're on top of the roof of the factory and we're just setting up these solar panels. The guys have been here working for the last couple of days. I think we have just two more to put in place right over there. And then we have to finish up the wiring downstairs inside the factory, and then we're going to have green energy at the factory, so that's really exciting. We have to add a few more parts before we can go totally on solar, because there's some of the big devices like the welding machine that uses three-phase power, and we don't have three-phase power yet. We're going to we need, I think, some more panels and another inverter to be able to get to three-phase, but we should be there, I think, by end of January. I think we should be able to do that, so we'll be totally green at that point and off the grid, which is really exciting. I'm happy about that.